I'm making this video because I have a Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, and I'm having a problem with it where every time I record a video, after a fresh restart, the phone glitches out. I don't know if you could see that right there, but I just restarted the phone glitched out in the video, and on the second record, it really doesn't do that as bad, but I still get a few stutters here and there. But on the fresh restart, let me show you on a fresh restart, it does it every single time, where the first video is ruined. It's unusable. And on a $1,000 phone, I thought that it was necessary to make a video about this problem, because it's just unacceptable. The issue really kind of goes away after the first recording, but that doesn't really make it any better on a device like this. So it's on airplane mode. Not that that really matters. Go into video here. Okay, so it's been a fresh restart. Take a look. Same kind of issue where it glitches out every single time on the first video. Try it again. And clearly, so that's the second one, it's not as bad. It goes away. The problem goes away. But let me restart the device again. And it'll be back. I mean, the problem will come back immediately. It's absolutely unacceptable. I've been a Sony camera user for years, and I needed a headphone jack on my phone and an SD card, so I thought I'd get this phone. Cost $1,000. Still on sale on Amazon right now for $800. And it still has this problem. You buy it today, it will have this problem. At least this device does. And I can't imagine that other devices are not experiencing this. Other people with this phone, at least in the United States. So if you have this phone, try what I'm trying. See if this problem happens. And I'd be curious to know your response. So here we go, fresh restart. Once again, it glitched out. Once again, the video's ruined. And every single time this happens. So it's already overheating. Ridiculous. But this was before it overheated, right? So this was before it overheated even. It's doing this. Try it once more, just for example. And I will include other videos recorded like this throughout the video or at the end, because it's a repeatable problem. I mean, it happens every single time you restart the phone. It's happened for months. I mean, really, since I bought the device, I assumed that all the extraordinary amount of software updates that they came out with this phone, I mean, it takes a long time to update. I don't know if it's that many updates, but it takes a long time to update the phone. I figured, oh, it'll be fixed. Not fixed. Not fixed. Let's try it again. So fresh restart. And the device glitches out. Look at that. The device glitches out every single time on the fresh restart. So camera just overheated. Camera just overheated. But this glitching is not due to overheating. This glitching is due to something else entirely. So if you have this phone, if If you have any experience with these devices, if you know what this problem is, I would love to know. And get back to me. Thank you.